Hello children, today I will teach you how to convert fractions into decimal form. First one is 3 by 4. We have to convert this fraction 3 by 4 into decimal form. For that we have to divide it. You remember while dividing, you write always numerator inside. Numerator will be inside. Denominator will be here outside. Don't think the greater number will be inside. No, it is wrong. Whether the numerator is smaller or greater. Always numerator you have to write inside. Okay. Now we observe here that 3 is smaller than 4. Then in 4's table 3 is not there. So what to do? We have to put 0 point. And this decimal point, this is decimal point. This decimal point will give 10 free. 10 is free to the 3. So it became 30. Now you count 4's table. 4 sevens are 28. So we got here 30 minus 28 will give you 2. Okay, again 2 is smaller and in 4's table 2 is not there. So what we should do? Already we have given here decimal point. So this decimal point will give 10 free at every stage. So here already one decimal point is there. So we have to give 10 free to 2. Now we know that 4 5s are 20. So 20 minus 20 will give you 0. Means it is completely divisible by 4. Okay. So what is the decimal form? 0.75. It is the decimal point of 3 by 4. 0.75. As we are getting remainder 0, such type of decimals are called terminating decimals. They are called as terminating decimals. Okay, because we are getting a remainder 0. It is completely divisible. So they are called as terminating decimals. Right? Let us see the second example. Second example is 7 upon 25. Okay, let us divide. Write 7 here and here 25. You should know table very well. You should learn the tables before starting division. Okay, 25's table is very easy. I hope everybody know 25's table. So here first of all 7 is smaller than 25, isn't it? If 7 is smaller, what we should do now? We can't divide by 25. So we have to give 0 point. And what this point will do? It will give 10 free to 70. Okay, now 25, how many are you will count so that it will be 70 or less than 70. In 25's table, 70 is not there. So we have to say, we have to find smaller number than 70. That is 25 twos are 50. 25 twos are 50. 25 threes are will be 75 and it will be more than 70. So we can't take 25 threes are. So we have to write 25 twos are 50. Now 70 minus 50 will give you 20. Okay. Now again 20 is smaller and 25 is greater. How to divide then? Here already one decimal point is there. So decimal point gives 10 free at every stage. Now if you want to write one more 0, then you have to give here 0 penalty. Then write one more 0. Okay. Two zeros together you can't write. You can't write two zeros together. Decimal point gives only 10 free. If you want to write one more 0, here you have to put 0 in the quotient. Then write one more 0. Clear? Now 25, how many is a 200? 25 8s are 200. 200 minus 200 will give you 0. Okay. So what is the question now? 0.28. We observe here again that it is a terminating decimal. Terminating means remainder is 0. It is completely divisible. Further we can't divide. So it is a terminating decimal. Which type of decimal? Yes, terminating decimal. So 7 by 25. What is the decimal form of 7 by 25? The decimal form of 7 by 25 is 0.28. Okay, understood? Very good. Let's go to the third example. The third example is 1 by 3. How to find the decimal form of 1 by 3? Again dividing. Which number you have to write inside? Tell me. Yes, 1. Which number? 1. Because 1 is in the numerator. Don't think that 1 is small. How we can write inside? No. 1 is divisible by 3. Here divide 1 by 3. Divide the number 1 by 3 it is. That means 1 we have to divide by 3. So always numerator inside. Again and again I am emphasizing on this sentence. Numerator inside. Always. Then 1 divided by 3. Let us see. 1 is smaller. So obviously, like above problem, 0 point. And what this point will do? It will give 1 0 3. It will give 1 0 3. So 3 how many is are? In 3's table, 10 is not there. Not there? Then 3 how many is are will you count? 3 3's are 9. Then 10 minus 9 will give you 1. Again, here decimal point is there. Already there, na? So it will give 1 0 3. It will give 1 0 3. Again, 3 3's are 9. Again, you will get 1. This decimal point will give 1 0 3. So 3 3's are 9. Now what to do? We are getting 1 1 1 1 every stage. Same number we are getting. Remainder is not coming 0. Remainder is not coming 0, na? It is always some number and the number is repeating. Okay, that means again if we count, we'll get 3s are 3s are 3s are. So it is a non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal means here we are not getting remainder 0. Okay. Here see, we got remainder 0. Here also we got remainder 0. But in this problem, we are not getting remainder 0. If you go on dividing, you will go on getting 3, 3, 3, 3 like this. So, quotient is not terminating, right? So, here see how to write this 1.3. Decimal point of decimal form of 1 by 3 is 0.333 dot 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 dot. It means 333 is going on. And this same you can write as 0.3 bar. Which digit is repeating better? Here 3 is repeating. Which digit? 3 is repeating. That's why we are writing 3 bar. 3 bar means this bar indicates that 3 is